How to view post insights on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now go ahead and open up Instagram and log into your account. And keep in mind, this will only work on a professional account. Whether it's a creator or a business, it doesn't matter, meaning that if you have a personal account, you won't be able to see post insights the way that I'm about to show you right now. So once you log into your account, go and click on the profile icon at the bottom right, and then click on the post that you want to see the insights for. Say for example this one. At the bottom left of the post, you can see a blue text that says view insights, so go ahead and click on it. And here, this is the insights page of that specific post. You can see everything, starting from the engagement, such as the likes and the comments and the shares and the saves, all the way to the reach and the impressions and stuff like that, and the profile visits and how many follows it generated, etc. And you can do the same with any post you want. It will give you that post insights specifically. So that was it for this video. That's how you can check and find and see post insights on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.